Hello, in this video I'd like to show you how to upgrade the 7-inch sharp screen from one CCFL to our UB35 series LED kits. This kit including one driver and one LED strips, and then the red wire and black wire connected with any child to positive 24 volt, and this is ground. So this is sharp, so the backlight lamp this is really old display. Yeah, as you can see, the film was burned a little bit inside, so you see a little marking here. But anyway, the lamp was mounted vertically. Okay, so because the lamp mount is covered by the plastic cover, so you have to be careful because it's easy to replace. You see there's a little bit crack because after the plastic heat up and cool down a little bit, it will create cracks. So anyway, it's quite easy to do it. Basically, there's 3 screws that holding the cover. We need to take it out. And that's it. Okay, so let me see. There's 3 tiny screws here. You see this? Just carefully remove it. Okay. In case the plastic cover is cracked, you can always put it back and add a piece of tape to it. So just cover it. Alright, so we're going to take it out here. Take it out. So remember there's a piece of this stick inside. See the lamp here? So we're going to mount the way. Let me disconnect it here first. And then of course on the driver there's double side tape. You peel it off, you can stick it any way you want to. So let's take out this one. I'm going to just mount it right there. Yep. It looks good. If you want to, you can add a piece of maybe hot glue on it. Make sure it stays on top. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a little bit glue. So I just had a little bit of hot glue. So let me make sure that it stays here. So that way when I put the back cover, you don't need to. Oh, this one's already broke. Okay, so we're going to carefully put it back. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna put 2 screws back. So I just add tape to the wire, and also here I add a piece of tape to because it was cracked. And I have a machine. I already connect this one at 24 volts. I have a special machine here to test it. So let's take a look, see how the result is. This screen, as I said, in the center, the film inside has some issues. Let me shut off the light, and then, okay, turn on the power supply. Okay, you see this? I'm not sure you can see it, but it's a little bit in the center. This film needs to be replaced, but it's pretty good. Thank you for watching.